What is up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, base religious shapes and sizes? Hey, we got Boyfriend back in the battle, baby. Boyfriend has rejoined the battle. My main man, Big Keith, has rejoined the battle in part of the fray. Danger, but Evil Bonbon and Tarta Bird sings it? Tarta Bird. Is that the pink one? Or I think there was a green one in one of the Bonbon games? Either way, it's gonna be freaking awesome. Boyfriend's back in town, ready to kick ass, take names, beat battler style. Link in the description. But it's anime. Let's give him kind of red dot, shall we? Let's go, Boyfriend. Show him how it's done, Big Keith. Hey, welcome back, buddy. Welcome back, big dog. Oh, it's this thing. Okay, all right. Hey, yeah. Oh, there we go. The original Evil Bonbon. Let's go. It's the Raven Scott. Ready! Fight! I was going for that mad sprint. That speed! Woo. Get out of there, Boyfriend! You gotta get out of there! He's coming for your pancreas! Bro, he is coming for your ass, boy. You gotta go now! Oh, shit. Hop on the bird and run! Yep, there you go. Let's get out of here, birdie dude. Let's roll. Hey. It's the Raven Scott. It's the Raven Scott. Ooh, he hauled ass, boy. Ooh, shit. He's gonna eat your pancreas. Get out of there. Oh, shit. Okay, epic class. Hey, there we go. There's Poe's little, like his animation style return, his OG. That looks so awesome. Let's go. Hey. Oh god, dude looks pure chaotic. Let's go. Boyfriend still got that strength, boy. Okay, hit him with the Naruto combo. Shoryuken. Oh, there you go, Boyfriend. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's more like it. Ooh, there you go. Boyfriend got stronger when he was away. He had a whole training arc. Let's go. This man's like, psych. Oh, damn, I need to see more. Oh, man. Oh, God. Oh, there must be more. Let's go, boy. Boyfriend had a whole training arc. Hit him with his Oh, that's gonna do it for this one. That's what I'm talking about. The return to his like original like style. The other ones were different, but I can't quite put my finger on what made them different. But this is the good stuff. Back to the good stuff. Not saying the other stuff wasn't the good stuff, but this is like the original good stuff. That good stuff, this good stuff. Both good stuffs, but this good stuff. Link in the description, of course, to the main man, Big Polly Pollington. Damn. Boyfriend hit him with the Shoryuken. That's what I'm talking about, man. I can't wait to see more of that. Let's go. Link in the description. But if you enjoyed the video with your boys, Keys, make your beast mode claws of awesomeness juice. Go ahead and slash that like button. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and beasts of religious shapes, and even them sizes. Oh yeah, that's right, them too. Love, peace, and a pop on stay beast. No, one up all the wind skis, all the bin skis. Bars.